Hey there! So, let's tackle a common problem in TypeScript that developers might encounter. The problem at hand revolves around using a conditional type to filter out keys of functions, starting with a specific letter in an object. The initial attempt involves using an operator within the conditional type, which unfortunately isn't supported in TypeScript. Now, diving into the solution, we can work around this limitation by leveraging the covariant nature of types in TypeScript. By encapsulating the types we want to check into tuple types, we can effectively achieve the desired behavior. The key part of the solution lies in the following code snippet. The provided solution offers a neat workaround by structuring the type check using tuple types. By checking if the tuple tk, k extends function, $string, we can filter out the keys as needed. This approach allows us to achieve the desired outcome efficiently within TypeScript's constraints. Pretty neat, right? In summary, we explored a common problem in TypeScript related to conditional types and dove into a clever solution utilizing tuple types. By creatively structuring our type checks, we can achieve the desired filtering of keys based on specific criteria. Hopefully, this solution proves helpful in your TypeScript endeavors. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment, maybe share your favorite TypeScript quirk. See you next time.